So this guy right here just goes to me, he goes, "Sir, you know anything about Facebook?" I said, "Nope, don't even have one." And that's a lie. And sometimes you just have to lie. Like what? He's like, "It's just updating." I'm like, "Yeah, just updating the security or something, I don't know." He goes, "So I just gotta wait?" I'm like, "Yep." Like, okay. Like, it just approaches me. Wasn't 6 feet, so now I'm positive. And yeah, so, I mean, moral of the story, it's okay to lie sometimes. But yeah, today we're going to be putting the matte finished center console along here, but I'm extremely busy for work. There they are down there. And I'll have them linked down in the description below if you end up liking them, want to get them yourself. I can give you a 10% discount code. But yeah, I got an absurd amount of work today, and you're coming along. On our way to the East Valley. We're on autopilot, so the car is driving itself right now. Very relaxing on the interstate, I gotta say. When I'm in my M2, a lot of the times I'll like get onto the highway after I merge and do the fun part. I go to like hit the shift stock to put an autopilot, but BMW does not have that. So yeah, what I'm gonna do to put this this matte finish on is gonna use this clay luber from Chemical Guys. If you guys have a quick detailer, like a basic quick detailer, I think that'd be good. And then spray a little bit onto the microfiber and then lightly and gently wipe off the piano black. That way the surface is as clean as possible. And then you can, after that, use the adhesive and mount it on there. So again, all this is from evselected.com. You can check it out there, 10% off. And they have free shipping as well. But yeah, the day is going well so far. You know, it's tough to complain. Blue skies, nice weather, sunshine, and my car is driving for me. Why complain? Do you ever notice that your, so I have like chapped lips right now. I played golf on Saturday and I think I got like some windburn. And I put chapstick on and it fixes it for like 15 minutes and then it feels worse after that. So I think chapstick is a money grab and it does nothing. That's my take. Okay, so let's get this stuff on here. Again, this is a clean microfiber towel. I'm gonna spray this onto the towel first. And just kind of gently hover the towel over. This isn't very dirty at all, just has mainly dust on it. But even as cautious as I am with this car and with the interior and keeping it clean, there are still some tiny cuts in it. So I could see someone who sits their sunglasses down or throws their phone on this or has kids or a dog or cat or whatever, and they just let it, they don't care as much. I can see how this gets very scratched up. Right here and right there, little cut. I mean, I'm sure that's something that I could buff out if I really worked at it. But I'm just trying to get it clean, no dust or anything that's going to be in between the plastic and the adhesive. But I'm interested to see how this holds up. Like, is it going to be something that shows cuts and bruises easily or not? Let's just make sure it fits flush first. It does. Yeah, that looks really nice. Alright, looks like it sits really flush. Let's see how we want to sit it down first. I think we want to do this end first. I think we lay it down like this. Just checking to make sure these pieces align. I did put it on before, but I want to make sure that everything is going to sit flush when I lay it down. You know, worst case scenario, you pull it off, use a little Goo Gone, and we're back to normal. So it's not like it's a permanent solution. And really, if this doesn't work out, I'll just take it to Dynamic Tint and have Tyler, he'll do like an Expel stealth film on it, and that looks really good as well. Okay. Alright, I'm happy with that. And actually what I could do is do the ceramic coat from Hydrosilex on top of this, do the interior ceramic coat since it's already clean. But here's a look at what it looks like. See, the lines are even along here. I mean, these are more even than the panel gaps on the outside of the car. I mean, if you know what I'm saying. So yeah, that looks really good. Nice clean look. And actually, I like this finish because it matches like the leather color here. So it has that same look to it. Not quite, it's not like a sticky rubbery feel, but it's also not very slick and smooth. So it's perfect in between texture. Piece number 2 is on. As you can see here, again, looks good, solid. Still works as is, and then you can see the thickness of it right there. Closes nicely. So yeah, looks good. Final piece is coming. There's a good look at the before and after. Alright, final piece, the adhesive strips. You gotta do it right, you got one shot. Do not miss this chance to blow. Oh, we almost blew it. Are we blowing? Yeah. Boom, baby. I could have maybe done it like a millimeter. So we can pull it down. Yeah, that's perfect. Cool. So there you go. That's a simple 10-minute install, maybe 5-minute. If you have no confidence in yourself, you can do this. Trust me. This is not hard, and it looks great. There's a slight gap here because I probably should have pulled it up a little bit. That will agitate me, but it looks great. That's my fault. Very happy with this solution. Again, let's open it all up so you can see the matte finish across the Model Y. Bringing you great consumer advice since 2011 here on YouTube.com. Again, this fits the Model 3 and the Model Y. Here's the box for it, $39, but with my discount code.
You're not paying that.
Yeah, console wrap kit, Model 3, Model Y. I'll have it linked down in the description below, and you get your 10% off. So, I hope that was helpful to you. It does look good. Cost-effective solution. You break it, cut it up, just buy another one. Looks good. Need to clean the cup holders out. Wow, that really changed the interior though. I mean, just more of a flow from this. There's no, you eliminate the piano black, flows into that, which flows into these colors over here, along here. This color and this color is almost identical. And from the same company, you have this holder right here. So I forget this is even here. I didn't even really want to have this in the car, but I forget it's there and my wife uses it. So it looks OEM. It has this little hole here for the vent. That's what I like about things. When I'm working with, when companies send me things or they offer to send something, I like that it has an aftermarket or has a OEM-like finish. And this does, and this does. I mean, the colors are matched almost identically, and it's a quality product. So really like it. Impressed with what this company has sent me. They also have some different cabin air filters. I think they're called HEPA air filters. So I'm going to be installing those as well. But yeah, another good product. BMW i8 in front of me there. If I'm not mistaken, they have a 3-cylinder motor with electric assist. They look sick. Like incredible exotic design. Doors go up. Let's get a look at this little slut wagon here. I love how this thing looks. Seems like it's not about speed, it's about the coolness of it. And I'm sure, I think it's efficient. I'm sure it's efficient if it has that 3-cylinder motor with the electric assist, but the i8's a cool car. The Roadster's really sick. I think they're like 168 grand, so they're not cheap. And really on the used market, they're not even that cheap, but I am a fan. Look at the Superstition Mountains for you. I actually climbed to that summit at one point. I think it's about 4,200 feet, but it's like one of the most beautiful, if you're into hiking, that's a beautiful hike to do in Arizona. I was reading a book, I am reading a book currently, which for me is, I mean, you know, the free soloing, El Capitan, impressive. For me, reading a book is on an equal, I thought he was gonna hit me, is on an equal playing field. Very hard for me to read. But I found a book I like, and I heard the quote in it that I read was, it's much easier to change yourself than to change other people. If you think about that, there's a lot there. I just wanted to share that with you. There's a lot that you can unpack there, a lot that you can relate that to. Maybe issues you're having in your daily life. That quote can be applied to that. You think, okay, so this person's being a dickhead. How can I change how I'm acting to make this scenario easier? Because you're not going to change them. It's much harder to change that person. So, little food for thought. Because that's it. You know, this is a learning channel. This is family learning material here. It's kind of what we do. A lot of you may know this. Some of you maybe not. If you take this little ball right here, this adjusts your cruise control. So I'll tap it down, goes to 79. Tap it up, goes to 80. But if you just swipe it down, takes 5 miles an hour off. If you swipe it up, adds 5 miles an hour. So if you need to add speed quickly, you can just swipe the ball and it'll add on 5 instead of 1. Well, folks, I think we're going to end it here for today. I'm sure you've had enough of me. I've surely had enough of myself. And that's it. There will be another video tomorrow, and the next day, and the next day, and the following day, and the next day. All the way through the 31st of this month, we are going all out to finish the year. It's Vlogmas with Gjeebs. Thank you for watching today's video. If you're still with me, drop a like, or don't. Maybe just like the next one. Maybe don't like them ever, you know? And we'll see you next time.